AH-64 Apache Acrobats, the Hammerhead. The aircraft we'll be using during this demonstration video is the AH-64D Apache attack helicopter. We're taking off from Nellis Air Force Base, ICAO number KLSV. I've set the date and time to June 21st at 1820 hours for the best visual aesthetics. Here's where we begin our first Hammerhead. You want to be sure you have plenty of altitude before executing this maneuver. I recommend at least 3,000 feet MSL. Typically, the flare release is done at the top, not on the way down. But not everybody's perfect. Here comes the second. I'm going to try and explain this step by step, what I'm doing to accomplish the Hammerhead. For this, we shall step inside the cockpit to give you a better idea of what's going on with the aircraft. As I said before, we should be at about 3,000 feet MSL. We begin the maneuver by starting a loop. So we push the Apache into a nose-down attitude. Try maintaining longitudinal trim with the aircraft during the entire loop. We're looking for a speed of about 130 knots, at which time we will begin pushing nose up. Eyes outside to see the world slow down. When the helicopter begins to slow down, begin powering down, and when the aircraft comes to a near stop, apply pedal in the direction in which you'd like to turn. And when she begins screaming at you, "Too much power, Scotty, you'd better back off." So there you go. I hope you had as much fun watching as I did flying it. Just another video from Dan, the Flying Man.